Hey guys, welcome to Wi-Fi Money. This is day 10 of trading my funded account with my funded futures, and it was a full tilt day. Unfortunately, my first full tilt day with this funded account. It was terrible. I placed 6 trades. Before this, the max I had traded was 2. The past 7 trading days, man, it's been really tough getting to my target levels and with my stops and all ridiculous stuff. I'll walk through each trade briefly here. Won't spend too much time on a terrible day. I'll just don't do what I did. Simple as that. 4-hour chart here on the S&P. I was bullish, expecting a bounce. Well, a continuation of the bounce of this trend. It bounced off the order block and the higher low or higher high here. Then it continued up to this 4-hour fair value gap, and I was expecting it to at least fill this gap here, in which it didn't. But breaking it down, the 1 hour there, 15-minute. This was our opening candle. We had a push up, and then it went back towards the 12 a.m. open, and then also filling this 15-minute fair value gap here. And then I was expecting it to continue up. I had my stop loss here. Did not work out. I then moved on to the NASDAQ. I thought the NASDAQ had filled this fair value gap perfectly. It was starting to wick away. I was still bullish, obviously. Didn't work. And then I moved on to the Dow. Same thing. There's a fair value gap here it was bouncing off of. This is the first trade that had some considerable profit. We had about plus 400 in profit. Then we got stopped out at break even. I moved it to break even, of course. And then, of course, as always, the ones that moved to break even, it never hit my stop loss, which was further down here. Let's see. And then I moved on to NQ again. It was this trade. I think I turned bullish here. Yep, I finally turned. Wait, no, I was still fucking bullish. Yeah, I turned. Oh man, yeah. So I lost. Who knows? And the Dow. Wait, yeah, I turned bearish. What the heck? I'm confusing myself. All these trades. I turned bearish with the Dow here. This one also had considerable profit, and I lost. Yeah, so I mean, at least my Dow trades, which I typically trade, had considerable profit. But yeah, and I traded even one more time, the 6th trade. Lost like $40 for a total loss of 1,094. The first trade lost me 256, the second 359, the third $24, the fourth 152, the fifth 228, and the last was actually 74 for a total of $1,094 lost. Terrible day, terrible trading. Tough sledding. I'm out of town here. I may trade the morning tomorrow. Then I have to go to a conference, and I won't be trading on Thursday. I have the conference early in the morning. So thanks for tuning in, watching some terrible trading. See you next time.